These all are the students of 9th standard and now they are going to play the role play 2.5, a play from English textbook 9th standard. So here all are our students. So let's see what they are doing.
First guard to the second guard. Be alert, the king is about to arrive.
Second guard, who wants to be alert? Life seems like one long step in this land. I am too at age all day, thought I am a guard.
First guard, how boring. I wonderful. I am interesting drama will unfold. At the court today, the atmosphere.
Second guard, I would be equally happy if there was none. In bracket, enter the people looking around.
First guard, hey, you are the stranger. You identity.
Disciple, you are right. I am a visitor here, a disciple of the wise sage from the Gangar forest which lies to the east of your kingdom.
First guard, what brings you here?
Disciple, I have heard amazing story about this kingdom of Andhel Nagri and the great king Chopat. I am especially impressed by the fact that everything in the market is sold at the same price, no complication.
First guard, you have heard right. Our land. In our land, you can buy the most rich the sweets for the same price and an equal measure of vegetables. Take Sir Bhaji, take Sir Khaja. I am quite happy about it. It makes life easy.
Disciple, so it should. It would be a good idea to settle in this land. But first, I would like to attend the court today and pay my respect to the mighty King Chopat.
Second guard, you may stand there in bracket pointing out with those people who are in bracket loud voice from backstage. Here, you people, here comes the most noble, most revered, most gracious, most learned king, Chopat of this vast kingdom. Make way for the king. Bow to the royal monarch. King Chopat arrives to the fanfare of Mughals and drums and takes his place on the throne.
King, let the court begin.
Fourth guard messenger, the first complainant.
Thief, rush, forget and wise lordly. Justice of most great king, I beg for justice.
King, and wait is your competence.
In this great land of another Nagri, my friend and have been truly hard-working, honest through all these years. We have been true to our profession and brought in our reward. Last night, with great efforts, we made a hole in the wall of the merchant's house when all his family were away. My friend read through that hole into the house when suddenly the wall collapsed while louder and my friend was instantly killed. I have lost my only friend and partner. O king, it's the merchant's fault for living in a house with such weak walls.
King, is the merchant at once a life of life? The merchant must be ended. Three guards lived and returned with the merchant who was before the king.
Merchant, mercy o noble king, I had no intention of killing this skilled professional. It is not my fault that the wall of my house collapsed. My house has been recently built. It is the fault of the bricklayer how carelessly built such a big wall.
King, bring the careless bricklayer immediately. He must hang for his feud. Second guard lived and returned with the bricklayer.
Bricklayer, O most kind Lord and King, in bracket leaning to the king, have mercy. I beg you, don't send me to the gallows. I agree that I built the wall which collapsed and killed a man, but it was not due to my carelessness. The mortar which I used to lay the bricks was very poor quality. This was too much of water mixed in it. It is entirely the water maker's fault.
King. Summoned the motor maker at once. He must pay with his life for this thoughtlessness. First guard exits and return with the